Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make some hot pockets. Now I've done a video quite a while ago now and it's very old, so we're doing a new one. Hot pockets. These are them and they are fantastic. What you do is you put a glue dot on the back and you just put them everywhere. So where can you think that you could possibly leave these this week? So get a box of business cards, get a stapler, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So just like Blue Peter, you're going to get 2 business cards. Not that Blue Peter would do this anyway. But we just do one little staple top, bottom, or side to side in the bottom. And that's it, you've made a hot pocket. I use craft dots, so you can get some glue dots from, eBay, Amazon, anywhere. Put one in the back, grab a few business cards, and I have literally left these everywhere. So you're talking the back of doors at the bingo, the back of the doors in the toilet, restaurants, and the bank machines, the lifts. I've left them in lifts. So that's it. That's all you do. Pop some cards in after you've stapled them. Put a glue dot. Plaster these everywhere. Get your name out there locally. You do not need to rely on, and you shouldn't rely on the likes of Facebook or social media. You need to get out there. So bus shelters, telephone boxes, not that there's many of those nowadays, but the banks, lifts, restaurants, pubs, bars, oh God, just you name it, you can leave them everywhere. I've even took these when I've been on a ferry to Amsterdam, hotel, airport. I take flyers, I take hot pockets, and I get my name known so that people, you just don't know who's going to pick it up, curious, think, FM, I think I'll join that business, it's free to join. So you never know who's going to pick one up. So keep your options open and get your fishing rods out there. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.